All right, welcome guys. I got a package in from Pearl Yoder and I want to open it for you guys. This was, well, I was expecting a medium flat rate box, but he sent a large. I'm gonna make that out to be his graciousness. I think generally his new boxes are $170 for a medium box. Not mistaken. But of course, Mr. Dan is a really nice guy, has some great coral, so I am always excited to get a box from him. And don't make this video out to be any kind of boasting or anything like that. Just want to share with you some of what he offers. So, you know, in the case that you do, happen to get up a little bit of funds, might be able to get something like this. All right, so we got some towels here, which I actually kind of appreciate. Instead of a lot of the clabbering around. Give you a quick look here. All right. Put it down. And already I'm seeing chunks of color, and already I am really pleased with a piece like this. It's just beautiful. Yes, you might be able to see just some kind of rougher areas, but I see the potential behind it, because coral, when it's heated, oftentimes this rougher looking stuff on the outside can just be glamorous on the inside. And I need to back it up so you can see it. And this is just a incredible piece. I also see why he wouldn't keep this for maybe a specimen slab, because of some of the pits and the pockets. But nonetheless, beautiful. And I've got a little, this is just foam. And I'm gonna lay it down on over there, okay. All right. I think he's he's really spoiled me here. He knows what I like. Put you back down here. Already I'm seeing some more color. All right, so this is gonna be really, really nice. Again, we've got some little, oops, make sure you can see it. Some little coral vacancies there, but I think very clearly we can chop this off, get a little spall here, and the rest of this I think will be really nice. And I think we'll get some color, assuming we can kind of undercut a lot of this. It may be a slimmer point, maybe a Simpson or a Clovis or a Boland or a Boggy. The possibilities are endless. All right, I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. 5 more in the box. Let's grab this one here. All right, this one's a little skinnier, but it's got some color. And I think Dan knows that one of the things I'm good at is conserving material. And I think I can pretty easily get something out of that. Maybe have to chop off an inch, but nonetheless, pretty little piece there. Okay. This is just going to be clear, most likely, but it's nice, compact, solid, doesn't seem to have any issues. So pretty pleased with that too. You never know, there might be a hint of some other colors in there as well. All right, I'm seeing something juicy in there, so I'm gonna leave that for last. Let's get this one under here. Let's see what this one's about. Ah, okay. Now this one I'm very, very pleased about. Very pleased. This is definitely gonna be the slick, smooth, consistent rock. There is a hairline here, which even if that chops off, you have a pretty decent length there. But assuming we can undercut, well, might not be able to undercut it, but still have a easily 5-inch piece, 5.5-inch point, and should be able to get at least one good flake off of it. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Lay that to the side. All right, let's get this bigger chunk here. Oh boy. Now, I don't know if you remember a recent video that I did or not. Straighten this out a little bit. But I made a Noonan. In fact, hold on. Hold your horses. Coming right back. I made a Noonan point out of some similar coral, and this coral looks to be a little bit more glossy, which is kind of cool. Over here, and again got some orange, some blues. For symmetry's sake, because it is kind of cupped, we'll have to remove a little bit of the tip. But there's great potential here, and very excited about that one. But there's one more. There is one more. Okay. And wow. Again, I definitely see why it's not kind of a specimen piece with some of the pits there, but I can already tell you this is going to be incredible. Incredible. It's just a large chunk of a head of coral that yeah, I just can't wait to hit into. I think this little fire pit here isn't going to go super far. I think it actually broke off this face because of that pit. And I don't know if it connects with either of these other ones here. Maybe it does. Let's see. Am I smart or am I smart, guys? Come on now. I'm pretty smart. I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at there. Oh yeah. Definitely. See, I'm pretty intuitive. Pretty intuitive. Now, is this other piece? I bet you this chunk is a part of the same rock. Somehow, some way. Ooh, I bet you it's like this. You ready? Something. No, it would be like this. No. You know what? Maybe this is a different rock. Or it just came from a different portion of the rock. Either way, this is a beautiful rock. Oh, there's another piece hiding in there. Okay. Okay. You see, I wasn't looking quite clearly here. Okay. So this is going to be a bowline most likely. Whoops. Make sure you see it. Doesn't look to be a hairline right here, which is usually when you see a jut out, you want to look for that. But it looks solid. I think we got us a bowline bevel there, folks. Now there is a hairline here, but I think we can nap through that fairly easily, unless it comes out. Either way, we'll at least have a 4-inch point with some color. And I bet you it came from this rock here. And is this rock the same as the other rock? It's possible. Nonetheless, I'm happy with that. Huge thanks to Dan. Appreciate you a lot. And yeah, I think I'll get some good points off of it. So for the entire show, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the potential to make some really nice points. I'm excited. I think it's well worth it because I trust my abilities. I think I can do a good job. The only ones I might be slightly worried about are this one. I know I have to trim this one up a little bit, but I think it'll be nice. And this, making sure that I can get through all of the abnormalities, and this one should be fairly easy. And the rest, I'm thrilled with. So hopefully I'll enjoy. It's on a tripod. It's kind of hard to mosey around. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed. And Dan's got a pretty cool website, millionsoulsmine.com. He's got pendants. He's got all sorts of cool stuff. And feel free to check him out. And I'm going to get to napping this, hopefully on film. I got to wash my hands first. It gets chalky around this coral. But y'all take care. See you on the next video.